Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to teach you 5 life hacks. If you run out of AA batteries and have AAA batteries, then this is a good life hack for you. So I'm taking this little ball of foil over to my clock, which has a dead battery in it. Now, make sure to put this little ball of foil on the spring side, then install the AAA battery. And look, my clock came back to life again. Okay, now I'm going to teach you guys how to hang a picture on a wall. Now, my picture frame is 22.5 inches wide, which means you divide that in half. That's 11.25 inches. If you guys use the metric system, just divide by 2, and that will take care of everything. And now I'm coming in with some tape, marking the center, and then each of the hangers. This allows you to put the nails in the wall in the exact place for the hangers. I'm finding the center of the wall, which will line up with the center of the painting. So I've got 44 inches between both these doors, so that divided by 2 is 22 inches. And now measuring down from the top of the ceiling, which keeps the painting level and straight. Removing the tape from the back of the painting, place the tape on the wall and line it up with the center mark, as well as both marks from the ceiling. Hammer the nails in where the arrows are, which lines them up with the brackets on the back of the painting. Remove the tape from the wall, and then let's hang up the painting. This looks perfectly straight and centered. Yeah, look how good. I've got a garbage bag hack for you. Let's open up this garbage bag and then let's tie a little knot in this drawstring. This actually cinches down the trash bag around the waste bin so the garbage bag won't fall inside the trash can. Let's move on to the cutting board. So this cutting board slides around on the counter. So let's get a paper towel and get this a little bit wet, and then come back over to the cutting board and place it underneath the cutting board. Yeah, look how well this works. Okay, now we're dusting off the ceiling fan. So I'm using a pillowcase here. This way the dust doesn't fall on the bed. And I'm dusting off all 5 blades. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end, you guys. Really appreciate you.